We're gonna make a Mexicana casserole today. And the first thing you do, get your big skillet, your 9x13 pan. You wanna coat it with some olive oil. You wanna coat this pan. Use your finger or a little brush. Coat the skillet. You wanna coat your casserole dish, 9x13 pan. Okay, we're gonna get the heat going. Wash my hands off. You want a couple pounds of ground turkey, red pepper, green pepper, onions, 1 large onion, and we're gonna start crumble up the turkey. It's more healthier than ground beef, they say, you know. I don't usually cook with ground turkey because some people can't eat meat, you know, like beef or pork. But yeah, someone here is can't eat the beef, so we're gonna make it with ground turkey, and it's healthier. It's gonna be good. Anyway, just crumble it up, put it in the pan. We're gonna cook it down and crumble it up as it cooks. Salt and pepper to taste. You don't want any bland. A little pepper. I'm gonna add your onion. We'll just cook it all together. Your red pepper, green onions. Yeah, we're just gonna chop it up in the pan as it cooks. And when it's done, when it's brown, we want to drain the grease carefully. Starting to sizzle. Turn it over and get it to where the ground turkey is browned real good. There's no longer any pink. So keep it on the heat. Now see all that liquid? We have to drain it. So it's about done. I'm gonna drain some of it now and some of it later. Soaking up the moisture. Okay. That's good. Yeah. When it's about done, you want to add a teaspoon of minced garlic. Take it off the heat. Okay, you want a can of red kidney beans. And while it's off the heat, you want to add drained and rinsed. You want to make sure you drain and rinse your kidney beans. Want to add your olives. Now we want to add a can of diced tomatoes. You don't have to drain it. Put it in there undrained. Can of diced tomatoes. Want to put a 3/4 cup of rice, long grain rice. And a teaspoon of chili powder. Maybe a teaspoon and a half. Yeah. Teaspoon and a half chili powder. 1 cup of water. Let's mix this up. Add a little more salt. Turkey tends to be bland a little bit. That's why I season it up. And what we're going to do, we're going to transfer it to our greased 9 by 13 inch baking dish. And right now, let's preheat our oven. Bake 375. Put your nuts in there. Good. What we're going to do now is cover it. And we're going to put it in the oven for 55 minutes. And then I'll show you what to do next because we're not done. 55 minutes. Y'all ready? We'll see what it looks like. All right. Yeah, that looks good. Can't wait to try it. All right, now we're going to sprinkle it with cheddar cheese. Let's get some cheese on it. Man, it smells good. Even Pouchy Boy smells it. Nice smothered cheese. Put a little tortilla strips around. And we're going to put it back in the oven for about 5 minutes. 5-7 minutes. Put it back in uncovered for about 5 to 7 minutes. While the oven's still hot. Okay. And in 7 minutes, we're going to taste it. Wow, smells good. Gotta let it cool down a little bit before our taste tester can taste it. Right? Now blow on it.
Hot. Still.
Still hot.
Very hot.
It's smelling really good. I want to try it.
100 out of 10.
What?
100 out of 10.
Wow. That is really good. Oh, you gotta do this. Real good. Anyway, well, you could add sour cream on top. Get a bowl, put some in a bowl, and add some sour cream, some hot sauce, however you want to do it, because this is really amazing. It's a 10, easily. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, right?
Yeah, and hit the bell.